Hello friends, myself VV Wankar, Assistant Professor, Science of Technology, Ichelkari. So this is my second video on finding the conjugate function v. So let us take one example. Here the question is like this: we have to prove u is equal to x square minus y square minus 2xy minus 2x plus 3y is harmonic. So the first part of the example is we have to prove the given function u is harmonic. So in the second part of the example, we have to find the function v. Here we have to find the function v such that the f of z is f of z equal to u plus v is analytic. So already I have given the function f of z is analytic. Also we have to express the function f of z in terms of z. So let us take the solution. Solution: given u is equal to x square minus y square minus 2xy minus 2x plus 3y. So I will take this one as some equation number 1. So first I will prove the function is given function is harmonic. For that I will find dou u upon dou x. So differentiating u partially with respect to x. Derivative of x square is 2x. Here y is constant, derivative of y square is 0 minus derivative of 2xy is 2 into y, derivative of 2x is minus 2 and derivative of 3y is 0. So I will go for the second derivative, dou square u upon dou x square. So to find v, I need dou u upon dou x. Therefore I will take this as some equation number a. So now I will go for the second order derivative. Derivative of 2x is 2. So this is 0 and this 2 is also 0 because 2 and y is constant. So now I will differentiate the given function u with respect to y partially, taking x as constant. Derivative of x square is 0. Derivative of y square is minus 2 into y. Then derivative of minus 2xy is minus 2 into x. Derivative of 2x is 0 and derivative of 3y is plus 3. So dou square u upon dou y square. Dou square u upon dou y square. Derivative of minus 2y is minus 2. Derivative of 2x is 0 and derivative of this 3 is 0. So I need this result also. Therefore I will take this one as something. So to prove the given function is harmonic, we have to verify the Laplace equation. So the Laplace equation is dou square u upon dou x square plus dou square u upon dou y square, which is equal to, here dou square upon dou x square is 2 and dou square upon dou y square is minus 2, that is 0. The Laplace equation is satisfied. The Laplace equation is satisfied. Laplace equation is satisfied. Therefore, the function u is harmonic. The function u is here harmonic. So this is first part of the example. In the second part, we have to find the function v. So to find v, so I will write here total differentiation formula: dv is equal to dou v upon dou x into dx plus dou v upon dou y into dy. So I will take this one as some equation number 2. So this is what equation number 2. So already given that the function is analytic, therefore it satisfies the CR equations. The CR equations are dou u upon dou x is equal to dou v upon dou y and dou u upon dou y is equal to minus dou v upon dou x. So these are the CR equation. So I will put this AI equation in equation number 2. So equation number 2 becomes dv is equal to dou v upon dou x is nothing but minus dou u upon dou y into dx plus dou v upon dou y is nothing but dou u upon dou x into dy. So now dv is equal to, from a and b we have the values here, dou u upon dou x and dou u upon dou y. Here, so let us find as it is, dou u upon dou y is nothing but minus 2 into y minus 2x plus 3 into dx plus dou u upon dou x, that is 2x minus 2y minus 2 into dy. So now I will denote this in some equation number 3. Here the equation number 3 is exact. So this is our m and this is n. This is m and n. So the given differential equation is exact. Therefore I will go for the solution. Here equation number 3 is exact or it satisfies the condition of exactness. Therefore, its solution is given by, so right here, integration m into dx taking y as constant plus terms in n free from x into dy is equal to c. So this is the solution for the given differential equation when it satisfies the condition of exactness. Therefore, now integrating this one, so integration of dv is given by v. So m into dx. Here m is, so I take this minus inside the bracket. So this becomes 2x plus 2y minus 3 into dx. Integration n into dy. Here n is, so in n we have to take the terms which are free from it, that is minus 2y and minus 2. Minus 2y minus 2 into dy is plus c. Therefore, v is equal to, so I will integrate this one with respect to x, taking y as constant. Integration of x is x square upon 2 to get cancelled. So remaining is here x square plus 2 and y is constant. So integration of 2y is 2xy and integration of minus 3 is minus 3x. Plus into minus is minus, integration of 2y is y square upon 2 into 2 and 2 get cancelled. This is y square plus into minus integration of 2 is 2 into y plus c. So this is the second part of the example. In second part we have calculated how we have find the value v. So the third part is we have to express this in the form of z. So to express this in the form of z, so f of z is equal to u plus I into v. Here f of z is equal to, so first I will write here u. Here u is x square minus y square minus 2xy minus 2x plus 3 into y, 3 into y plus I into, so that is here I will write, plus I into v is x square plus 2xy minus 3x minus y square minus 2y plus c. So I will simplify this one. F of z is equal to x square minus y square minus 2xy minus 2x plus 3y plus ix square plus I into 2xy minus I into 3x minus iy square minus I into 2y plus I into c. So this is the expression in terms of x. Now I have to write this in terms of z. For that I will use the result. We know that z is equal to x plus iy, z square if I take x plus iy whole square. So if I simplify this one, it becomes x square plus I into 2xy minus y square. So this is what z square. So I will arrange terms like this. F of z is equal to, we can see here we are having minus 2x and here we are having minus I into 2y. If I take minus 2 as common, so remaining is here x plus I into y, x plus I into y. Then here we are having minus 3 minus I3x and here we are having plus 3y. So I will take here plus 3 as common. So remaining is here minus I into x plus y. So this is also over. Now x square, y square, 2xy, ix square, these terms are remaining. So we can see here we are having x square. So I will write this in one more bracket, x square plus 2ixy, that is also we are having here, plus I into 2xy, then we need minus y square, that is also available here, that is minus y square. So I will write the remaining terms now, that is minus 2xy, this is over, plus ix square, plus ix square, this is also over, then minus iy square, plus I into c. So now I arrange this one properly. F of z is equal to here minus 2, so that is x plus iy is nothing but z, plus 3. Here I want x plus iy. For that what I do? So I will multiply and divide by I to this bracket. So then plus. So then this is already in the standard form. So I will this one as x plus iy whole square. Then so I will write here also I will adjust. Here I want x square which is free from I. So for that I will adjust dividing by I and multiplying by minus 2xy plus ix square minus iy square plus I into c. So therefore f of z is equal to minus 2 into z. So plus, so I will write here 3 into I as it is. So I will take 1 upon I inside the bracket. I and I get cancelled here. So remaining is here minus x. So it becomes y upon I. Already we know that the value of 1 upon I is minus I. So this becomes minus I into y plus, so this is nothing but z square. So again, so I will take this 1 upon I inside the bracket plus I will take as it is plus I. So if I take this 1 upon I inside the bracket, again here we will get 1 upon I. 1 upon I is nothing but minus I. So this becomes positive I into 2xy. Here I and I get cancelled, remaining is x square. I and I get cancelled, remaining is y square plus I into c. So therefore, f of z is equal to minus 2 into z. Here I will take minus common, minus 3 into I. So this becomes x plus iy plus z square I into, so again this is in the form of x square plus I to xy plus minus y square is nothing but x plus iy whole square plus I into c. Therefore f of z is equal to minus 2z minus 3iz plus z square into I, plus z square. So here we are having positive sign, z square plus I into z square plus I into c. Even though we can simplify this one, f of z is equal to, here we can take z as common, that is minus z. If I take common, remaining is 2 plus 3i, and here it is, if I take z square common, 1 plus I plus I. So this is our required answer. So in this video we have solved this example on conjugate function, that is to find v. So in this example first we have proved that the given function is harmonic, then we have find v, then we have expressed this one in terms of f of z. Thank you.